Hello friends, as in my earlier video on Fiverr, I have talked about how you can make Fiverr account to earn money online. But in this video, I will tell you how you can make gig to specify what type of services you are providing. So first of all, what is this gig mean? In the Fiverr, the gig means the profile of service that you are providing. It contains the detail from your service description to your prices. Gig behaves like a shop item with this description and the price on it. If you have a perfect gig with a catchy description, gig picture with title, 100% chance is here that the buyer will come first toward you. Therefore, your gig will rise on rank automatically. If you get start the order on your gig with a positive rating, then it really helps for the next client to believe on you because of your previous positive rating. In this video, I will talk about how you can make a perfect gig on Fiverr so that you can earn money without any headache of just bidding. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video. After joining the Fiverr, you will come up with this profile page where you will see your Fiverr profile name and the tagline. As I have written, we believe in quality service with quality result. Please do not use this same tagline because it will go into the scam, as a lot of people will use this. If we go down, we will see that the box of the description, you will write the description according to your own expertise. Add your language, whatever language you will use in the Fiverr. Link your account to your Facebook, Google, or whatever your account you have. Add your skills. This is a very important part of your profile. Add your education and certification. This will help your client to uh, know about your qualification. Now we will create our new gig. Now you will write the title of the gig here. Select the category. Writing and blog posts. Choose the topic: food and beverage, health and medical. Select the language: English. Tone: choose the professional. Article type: long form article, first person, and the instructional. Add the tags. Now click on the save and continue. Title should have at least 4 words. Now save and continue. Now we will set the pricing of our gig. There are 3 standards of the costs. These 3 standards are called the packages. First, we will give it a name as a basic. You can write 600 words. Delivery time 2 days. Revision. Revision means um, if the buyer is not satisfied with the work, then it will contact you to review the work and correct it. So you can give number of revisions. I will recommend you to give the unlimited so that it can impact the very good impression on the buyer. Words included 600. Focus keywords 2. Topic research. Reference citation. Here is the price. You can select minimum of the $5 and up to anyone. I will select $5. Now we will add some extras in our service so that we can charge some extra money from the user, and it also make your services more attractive because of the extras you are giving, uh, such as if you are delivering the basic order in the 2 days, select one day here, and for one day you will extra charge $5. It means the total cost of the basic service you are providing now will become $10. 5 from here and 5 in the extras. Similarly, you can change the prices with the delivery time, as we have done for the basic. We will change also in the premium. These are some basic changes in the extras. You can also change other things like additional reviews, topic research to charge some extra money, but it depends upon your service. What type of service you are providing, is you are willing to give them extras or not. So I have completed with my extras. Now I will click on the save and continue. Here is an error, additional reviews. It is mandatory for me because I have clicked the revision session here up, therefore I will uncheck here to save and continue. Now the pricing has been set. In this description you will describe your about your gig, what type of service you are providing with your skills, to give some details about what you are providing to the client so that he can understand about the service. So I have written my some description. I will just copy and paste. I will suggest you not to use these um, description, because a lot of people will use this and it will go into the scam. Now save and continue. Here you can write what type of requirement you will need to get the order from the buyer, the initial requirements that you will want from the buyer. So I will just need the niche of the buyer. Save and continue. Add. Save and continue. Save changes. Now it's time for the gallery. Here we will add some pictures to our gig. browse. You can make your own photo, or you can download it from the Google. You can make the gig picture from the Canva, or any other software. Canva is the online software where you can easily make your own gig picture. I will select. Now I have selected my picture. I will suggest you that you should add some your video, because Fiverr says that if you add your video, a 50% chance of your order increase. Now save and continue. In the last, you will have to pass a test to publish this gig. This test would not be very hard or tough. It would be very simple, and after passing the test you will just click on the verify, and automatically the gig will be published, and you will see your gig on your profile, and from there you can start your own services. You will be able to give the buyer request and get the orders. So this was the gig, how you can make your own gig. And for the next video, stay tuned. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. In the comment box, give me your feedback and share with your friends so that they can also earn money. So for the next video, Allah Hafiz.